identities can be used to factorize polynomials, let me write them down for you. The first one says a plus b the whole squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. The second one says a minus b the whole squared equals a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. How do we use these identities to factorize polynomials? Look at this example. 9m squared plus 12m plus 4. Can we factorize this expression further? One way in which we can do it is to find the highest common factor of the three terms. But if you observe carefully, the HCF of the terms is 1. Is there any other way to factorize the polynomial? The first term is 9m squared. We can also write it as 3m the whole squared. The third term in the polynomial is 4. It can be written as 2 squared. We basically wrote the first and the last term in whole squared terms. Why are we doing this? This is our first identity. A plus b the whole squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. We got the first and the last terms in this form. Now we look at the middle term. How can we write 12m? Can it be written in terms of the first and last term and in this form? Yes, we can write it as 2 multiplied by 3m multiplied by 2. Observe how we split the middle term. We made sure that these two terms are present and the factor of 2 is also present. So we rewrite the polynomial as 3m the whole squared plus 2 multiplied by 3m multiplied by 2 plus 2 squared. Does this expression look familiar to you? Look at the first identity. Our expression looks exactly like the right-hand side of the identity, where a would be 3m and b would be 2. So a plus b the whole squared is equivalent to 3m plus 2 the whole squared. 9m squared plus 12m plus 4 can be written as 3m plus 2 the whole squared. We could successfully factorize this expression using the first identity. The question is, how do we know that the first identity has to be used? It's simple. Look at the first and the third terms. They have 9 and 4. Both can be written in squared form. And the sign of the middle term is positive. So the moment you see such terms, remember that the chances of using the first identity are very high. And if the middle term was negative, we would have used the second identity. Now that we are done with the factorization, we should check our answer. We solve the factorized expression and see if we get the original expression. 3m plus 2 the whole squared can be written as 3m plus 2 multiplied by 3m plus 2. And we use the distributive property to expand the brackets. We multiplied this with this and this with this. We get 9m squared plus 6m plus 6m plus 4. We add the like terms to get 9m squared plus 12m plus 4, which is our original expression. Our answer is correct. 9m squared plus 12m plus 4 can be written as 3m plus 2 the whole squared.